Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used instead of a noun, that is, he, she and they. The words taught in previous lectures are tenses and words to describe someone/something. Remember, there are different pronouns for male and female. But how to use pronouns for past tenses in Arabic? For that we use
ضرب.
he beat.
ضرب.
They both beat.
ضرب.
They all beat.
ضربت.
She beat.
ضربتا.
They both beat.
ضربنا.
They all beat.
ضربت.
You beat.
ضربتما.
You both beat.
ضربتم.
You all beat.
ضربتي.
You beat.
ضربتما.
You both beat.
ضربتن.
You all beat.
ضربت.
I beat.
ضربنا.
We beat. These two pronouns are used for both male and female. Since pronouns are one of the most important topics of any language including Arabic, therefore, for this we will only practice pronouns. These pronouns are for past tenses. There are different pronouns for present tenses, subject and objects, which we will learn in our next lectures. Let's practice. Pause the video and make pronouns for these words. That's it for today. Revise thoroughly what we have taught you above. These are not all the words in the Quran. These are a few words we have chosen as an example so that you can have a know how they are used. Pronouns are very important for learning Arabic, so make sure you have a strong grip as these are used several times in the Quran. Practice as much as you can. You can also access our lecture notes from our website, Tafseer-e-Quran, from link in description, or search for Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge. Till then, Allah Hafez.